So, guys, we bought fireworks. I bought fireworks, and we're gonna try. Over the years, we've been buying fireworks, but it's in a flop. Zinawaka kama kiberiti. We bought fireworks. This is 100 watt. Wanetanga 100 watt. Is it the shots or what? Hiyo kuwaka waka hiyo inaenda juu inafanya pua. 100 of them. Pua pua tua tua. 100 tua tua. This is 100 tua tua. And then I decided to get this one too. This one. So this one is just one tua tua per whatever. So let's say this is 4 tua tuas. Yeah? Guys. Nataka muniombe guys. Muniombe kitu ifanye kazi. Because I'll be updating you and letting you know kama imenifanyia vile ilinifanyia the previous years. Muniombe sana. I don't know. It better work. It better work. Stay tuned, guys. I will update you. It's pretty much half hour to New Year. Half hour to New Year, guys. I'll be updating you. Stay tuned. We're gonna stand here, guys. 11:51. We have 9 minutes to go, so we want to start setting up and Aki God nifanyie hii. Sikuchome. Aki sichome. Aki haribika wewe utakuwa umetuharibia 2026. Aki God tuko na 1 tarehe moja. New Year ni moja. Aki ifanye. So we're going to set up this thing and then I'll record for you how it goes. Marijuana. Chome gari. It worked. It worked. Okay, I know what I expected, but it worked. Compared to the previous years, it worked. The fireworks worked. Yeah. Happy New Year, guys. My heart is full. Happy New Year. Happy prosperous 2026. I pray it be kind to you. Yeah. Peace out. It worked. It worked.